In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Nordvpn Chrome extension in 2025. This straightforward guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can securely browse the internet in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to visit the Chrome Web Store. Just like any other extension, you'll search for the Nordvpn extension in the search bar. It's important that you download it from the official Chrome Web Store to ensure security and reliability. Once you've found the Nordvpn extension, click on Add to Chrome or Add to Brave if you're using the Brave browser. A pop-up will appear to confirm the installation. Here, you'll click on Add Extension to complete this step. This process is seamless and aims to integrate Nordvpn directly into your browsing experience. Once successfully added, you'll notice the Nordvpn icon appearing in your browser's toolbar. This icon is your gateway to a more secure browsing environment, but if you don't see it right away, don't worry, this can happen sometimes. Simply click on the little puzzle icon on the toolbar which represents your extensions. Find Nordvpn in the list and pin it to your toolbar. This way it's always visible and accessible. Now that you have your Nordvpn ready to go, it's time to log in. Click on the Nordvpn icon to open the interface. Here you'll need to enter your Nordvpn account credentials, which include your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, it's essential to sign up on the Nordvpn website before proceeding. After logging in, you have two main options for connecting to a VPN server. The first option is to click Quick Connect, which will automatically link you to the best server available for your location. This is a great option if you're in a hurry or prefer to let NordVPN do the choosing for you. Alternatively, you can scroll through the list of servers to select a specific one that meets your needs. This choice gives you the flexibility to pick a location or specific server type, like one optimized for streaming or enhanced security features. Once you're connected, you should see that the NordVPN icon indicates a secure connection, often represented by a changing color or a lock symbol. This confirmation provides peace of mind, knowing that your browsing data is encrypted and your online activity remains private. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to ensure your browsing experience is safe and secure. NordVPN's Chrome extension makes it incredibly easy to protect your data with just a few clicks. Thanks for joining me today and happy safe browsing.